So this video talks about where did that universal gas constant come from, and I think it's just worth noting. So when you go back and you look at Charles' law, Charles' law is actually V equal to KT. Got to use lowercase t, k. What this means that as you change temperature, volume changes. And this is an equation of a line. And so our equation is V equals KT. If we had class, we would have done a lab that proved this. Boyle's law, and we would have done a lab to do this as well, shows that the relationship between temperature and pressure is actually inverse. Okay? So in math class, they taught you to, if you graph 1 over p, your inverse relationship becomes this. It becomes a straight line. So once again, the equation of a straight line is y equals mx, right? Well, that would mean that, okay? So if I rearrange this equation, I would get this. M is the slope. Well, is the slope changing? Nope. The slope is a constant. But it's a different constant than from up here. So I'm going to put a little tally up there to show that that k is different from that k. Okay? And then we've got Avogadro's law that shows that if you increase the moles of your gas, you're going to increase the volume. That's not a big surprise. If you have more gas, it should have more volume. Okay? So, just like this one, my slope is constant, so my equation would be because my slope is a constant. So how I'm going to put two tallies there to show that it's different than the other constants. So now I've got three equations. I've got V equals KT, I got V equals K prime over 1 over P, and I've got V equals K double prime N. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these three equations and I'm going to combine them, okay? And I'm going to combine them kind of like this, okay? I'm going to convert this one into this. I'm going to convert this one into this. And I'm going to convert this one into this. All right? So I have three constants. What happens if you multiply three constants together? You get another constant. So then, combining these three equations, I get this. A superconstant. What should we call this superconstant? We call it R, and it's the universal gas constant. And so that universal gas constant, then we can rearrange it. And there you go.